Welcome to a morning here at Mariners Village. Notice that loud noise? That's because there's a decommissioning project happening outside. And it starts every day at 8 a.m. since the end of October 2011. It's now January, the first week, and we have zero financial compensation. Even though our rents are so high, Mariners Village is not doing anything to compensate the residents for this inconvenience. Our apartment is one of the most affected. We've been looking at this view. The building shakes like an earthquake tremor, and it smells toxic like burnt oil. This has been happening since the end of October for 3 months and a couple weeks. Try waking up every morning to these lovely sounds. Oh, and let's see what, again,